welcome back again to my channel. I'm Victoria Ayo. I'm a licensed real estate agent in North and South Carolina. Before we even continue with this video, I want you to go ahead and hit that thumbs up and also hit that red subscribe button and press that bell notification so others can learn more about Charlotte with ease. Also, so you don't miss out on any of our weekly video tours. Today we are in Huntersville, North Carolina. We are touring this beautiful home here behind us. This home is built by Classica homes. This model right behind me is called the Monterrey. It's about a 4 to 5 bedroom home. And guys, and as you can see here, it's a modern style home. You know, it has the farmhouse look. The starting price here is that high $700,000. And guys, the square footage here is well over 3,600. So why don't you come along with us here? Let's check out this home together. Okay, so when we kind of come in, let's take a minute and admire, and admire this tall, beautiful red door here. There's something about the red, you know, with all the white and the dark that just kind of makes it pops out. So we walk in here into this grand 2-story foyer area. And one thing I wanted to point out before we kind of take a tour around the home is the exposed wood here on the stairs. You know, there's nothing kind of like tackier than a nice home like this, and then you have carpet on the stairs. So that's absolutely beautiful in my opinion. So you would have the option of, you know, including hardwood throughout the floor here. Right now it's converted into a study, but you actually can convert this room here into kind of like a guest suite or an in-law suite. And so once you do that, this bathroom over here would then convert to a full bathroom with a shower or a bath combo. Classica home has tons and tons of storage, as you can see here. So this is just one of the many storages we'll see. So let's check out this half bathroom here, because it's really good just to kind of get a sense of the finishes here. But keep in mind, there are so many options and there's so many things which you can do with this home. The model homes are just to give you an idea of what could be done with the home. We're gonna go over here, down this hallway, and to our right here is gonna be the laundry room downstairs. So right over here, we have kind of like our drop zone, or like some people call it a mudroom, where you enter in from the garage and then, you know, you drop your keys, hang your shoes, and then you go inside the house. But at the same time, there's also the downstairs laundry room here. So the cool thing about this home, this Monterey plan, is that it has 2 laundry areas, one downstairs and one upstairs. And this laundry area actually connects to the owner's or the master bedroom closet space. So if we were to use this door, that's actually the owner's closet. But as we give you the full tour, we'll actually get to see that again. So let's go back out and finish out with the rest of the home here first. We walk into this open concept home. You have your formal dining over here to my right, and you can see that this space can easily sit, this is about 8 right here. And this is just to give you an idea of what can be done with this space. If you chose not to put that cabinet, you can definitely include a bigger table here if you have a large family for formal events or things like that. And one thing I'm gonna point you to next is this kitchen. So this is by far one of my favorite kitchens in probably all of the homes I've toured with you together on my channel, because this kitchen just is so, it's a gourmet kitchen basically, and it's very delightful, and it doesn't feel so cramped. You know, I love the abundance of cabinets all throughout here, the backsplash here throughout the home, throughout the kitchen area. And of course the farmhouse sink here, which is becoming very, very popular. I like the choice of stainless farmhouse rather than, you know, like the ivory personally, but you know, you could like something different. And also guys, one of my favorite features here is the pantry and also this little area here. So I've actually seen people make this kind of like a homework area for the kids, where let's say, you know, mom, you're in the kitchen cooking, and I've seen parents actually put desks in this area, you know, to kind of help keep an eye on the kids while they are in the kitchen. And then we come here into the pantry area. So the pantry, as seen here, is something you can choose to include with your build with Classica homes. What I mean by something you can include, the way the shelf is built, they can absolutely do that for you. Or if you just want regular shelves like what we've seen, that's an option as well with Classica. Let's go over here and let's look at this living space area together. So as you probably noticed while we're here is the light penetrating through from everywhere. There are literally windows on either side of me here, windows all across. And my favorite thing is this sliding door all across. So this is actually a door that can slide all the way here, but you know, the weather is nice, so it's been kind of like opened all the way. So if you're a fan, if you love to host people and you're a person, you know, that loves family gatherings, this could be a perfect place to entertain, right? And just kind of have people spill over into your living area. And also, you know, if the weather is nice, you can leave this open and just enjoy all together. And of course, you probably noticed here, right? Stone flooring all throughout here. And a really neat feature is this. We're actually not going to, you know, raise it up. But guys, this is a net that you can actually include with your purchase. This is remote control and it can actually go up and down as you please. So if you didn't necessarily want to, you know, leave the whole entire outdoor open, you can leave this net as is, or you can choose to elevate it and still open up that backyard area for more entertaining space. I think I would probably leave it as is, in my opinion. And I love the addition of the heaters here too. So it gives you an idea, right? In the winter, you can heat up this space with the exterior heaters here and just kind of like hang out with your family, maybe install the TV out here somewhere. And this can be kind of like a second living space area. Let's go back inside the house. I would love to show you guys the master bedroom here. Here is our beautiful master's bedroom, or the owner's suite here. One thing I want to point out is the silence. One thing that Classica prides itself in is privacy within all the rooms. You know, the walls are made where it's not soundproof, and as you've probably seen, the closets are not here. So it's a perfect space if you love, you know, if maybe you like to get up early and your spouse likes to sleep in late. It completely, like the way this room is built, right? While you're getting ready in the other room, your spouse has no idea, you know, kind of what's going on, and the silence is just impeccable in this room. Let's go over here and let's check out the rest of the owner's suite together. So we walk through here and we walk straight into our owner's bathroom. You have your double vanities, separated sinks on either end, one for you, one for your spouse. We have the soak tub here. I love the gold finishes here. And of course you have your walk-in shower and your enclosed toilet, or some people told me in the comment section, it's a water closet. So you have your water closet there. And I love the choice of flooring and tile in this bathroom. It just screams very, very elegant to me. And then we go in here into the walk-in closet here in the owner's bedroom. As you can see, this closet is massive. You know, there's opportunity to kind of do the double hang thing, which I've talked about in several of my videos. So this space as is great. You can actually maximize so much in here. You can probably hang a little bit more racks if you needed to hang more clothes. Yeah, I think the opportunities or what you can do in this space is actually very, very endless. And then we go over here. If you guys remembered, I showed you the laundry room. So how convenient is it that the laundry room, the downstairs laundry room, is right next to your closet? So literally you just grab your laundry hamper and you throw your clothes into the washer and the dryer. I don't know about you, but for me, this is a huge selling point in this home. So I absolutely love that. So now that you've seen all the downstairs area, let's go check up upstairs together. So we are now upstairs, and the moment we walk upstairs, we walk into this huge bonus space. This huge bonus space here. One thing I love about this floor plan in Classica, or the attic spaces or the storage spaces that are, you know, already pre-planned for you. So this space is actually huge. as you can see, it goes in that way a bit to my left, and it kind of comes back out to the right. So the space here and the ample storage and the height is actually very, very great if you're looking for a lot of storage space. And I love that this has been included, you know, to help kind of keep the temperature cool in that storage space. There's actually a closet here as well. So if you needed more storage within the home, there is this whole entire closet space here that can be used. And also, just so you know, this loft space, if you were to build with Classica, can actually convert to a bedroom. So if, let's say you didn't want the loft space or the bonus room area, you can actually enclose this and make it a bedroom. And you can also elect to add a bathroom if you wanted to kind of make it an ensuite bed and bath at the same time. So let's check out the rest of the home here together. So we saw the downstairs laundry space area. And so here to my left is the upstairs laundry room. And as you can see, that's actually a very spacious laundry room because look at the size of those machines in there. That's actually pretty big. And then to my left here, we're gonna go into our first bedroom here. I'm gonna start with the closet to give you an idea of how spacious this floor plan is. Look at that closet. You know, for just one of the, for one of the secondary bedrooms, this is actually a big closet and also a very, very big room, as you can see. And I love the amount of windows that have been built into this home. So this bedroom actually shares a Jack and Jill bath with the room adjacent to it. And with Classica, if you actually wanted to enclose this and give each bedroom like their own ensuite, that's absolutely something they can do. But it must be with a build job rather than, you know, like if there was an inventory home. So we come here, you have your double vanity sink for one bedroom, and then this one for this other bedroom. And then here we have our shower, our bath and toilet combo here within this door. And then we go here, kind of coming through the door, and we are boom into the next bedroom here. It has two of the bigger windows. Meanwhile, the other one just had two of the smaller ones on either side. So I would say it's about the same size, the same number of windows here. It looks about the same size room here. It's still very, very spacious. You can definitely fit a queen size bed in here if you wanted to. This appears to be a full. So let's go check out, there is one more bedroom up here. And this one actually has its own ensuite bathroom here. But first, let's check out that closet space. It's about the same size closet that we've seen in the other two rooms. But of course, as I was mentioning earlier with the other two rooms, this is an example of how this could be an ensuite bathroom for the other rooms. So it's not the biggest bathroom, but it still gives you the privacy you need not to be able to, well, it still gives you the privacy you need, you know, with your own bathroom. Hey friends, thank you so much for taking a tour of this beautiful property here in Huntersville, North Carolina with me. The builder here is Classica Homes. This floor plan we are standing in is called the Monterrey. This actually, what we saw today, remember, it's a 4-bedroom option with an office and also a bonus space or a loft area. But if you wanted it, remember I told you you can make that office area into a bedroom, and also you can enclose that loft area, making it a 6-bedroom. If you loved this video, please go ahead and hit that thumbs up and also subscribe using that red subscribe button, and also hit that bell notification so you never miss out on any of our videos. I would love to know in the comment section what your favorite part about this home was. Let me know. You know, let's start a conversation, let's start a discussion and see what your favorite feature in this home was. My email will be, if you're interested in buying this home or buying any home in Charlotte or the surrounding areas leading into South Carolina, please go ahead and shoot me an email. My email is victoriabao@costellorei.com. More information about that will be found in the description bar. I look forward to meeting with you and working with you. Remember, you can't lose with AO. See you in the next video.